Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells or the entire sheet you want checked. Press F7 or go to review spelling. Once done, Excel scans text entries and stops at the first suspected error so you can decide. Make sure to check cells with comments or text boxes separately because they can be skipped. You're initiating the only built-in spell checker Excel offers, so start here rather than manually scanning, which takes longer and risks missing errors embedded in long cells. You now evaluate each suggestion the spelling dialog provides. Read the context in the cell preview, then pick Change to fix a single instance or Change all for repeated mistakes. If the term is intentional, like a product name, select Add to Dictionary so Excel won't flag it again. Also use Ignore once when the instance is legitimate but you don't want to add it to the dictionary. Once finished, Excel resumes and reports back when the check is complete, so stay attentive to each prompt. You finish by confirming Excel's final message that the spell check is complete, then save your workbook to keep corrections. If pressing F7 appears to do nothing, make sure proofing language is set correctly and proofing options are enabled in Excel options. Sometimes spell check is off for certain languages. If issues persist, reset or remove corrupted custom dictionaries or run an office repair, because those steps usually restore the built-in spell checker. That single path is the reliable way to check spelling in Excel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.